No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this. Mbappe! And that's been leave it clear. Davis plays it forward. Mbappe gets flagged offside.
Yeah.
Gets wrestled off the ball. Now the counter. And he's on his way. Mbappe! And the ball's come out. Gets good distance on it. Good challenge. He just stood firm. And Messi! Again, the keeper stands strong. Messi clearly thought he... Yellow with the short one. It's anyone's ball. And another time. Barcelona! Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
Well, I think the keeper has every reason to rip into that defence for allowing him to get into such a good position.
Barcelona take the lead, 1-0. And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on. Messi. Messi! Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's... And Messi! And yes, it's there! And they're at it again in double quick time!
That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that. You know, Peter, from the moment it left his foot, it looked...
Barcelona grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
He's got away. Up to meet it. Back of the net.
No space, no problem. You just where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked a scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that. We have got ourselves a game here.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Van Dijk battles to win it back. Messi! And in it goes! 2 to the good!
They have breathing space! A truly wonderful strike, decorated with, and it's not a surprise to see him elect to shoot from there, considering how much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. Look, this position ought to convince them to increase their lead. I think they should be really positive about this now, Peter.
Just brushed off the ball there. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo going through. Ronaldo goes hurtling down that left-hand side. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, the ball's come and they've been caught out here. And that'll go straight through to the keeper.
The referee brings the first half to a close.
Well, Peter, I think that being good movement in both midfield and indeed up front, if those players I think can carry on where they left off after the break, they should impose themselves even more, and probably only one result coming here.
Barcelona are broadly in charge, but the contest is still alive at 3 goals to 1 in half. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. And everyone off their seats.
Oh, and it's such a good effort. Maybe the target really should have been hit.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Has the hit! Yes! And the lead is 3! It is surely done!
Barcelona are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Barcelona lost themselves into a 3-goal lead. Lopez. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Danger averted for now. Hoists it forward. Salvio gets it out to the wing. Crunching tackle. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Keeper gets just about enough of it.
Well, it was hit with great power, Peter, but sadly not great precision.
And it's Messi. In with the challenge. Throw. Intercepts the throw. Tries to get it forward quickly. Barcelona disappointing at the end there. They lack urgency. And back to base. Messi already with 2 goals under his belt. He gets past his man and Messi! He scored! It
is no contest. It is a landslide. That really was a thing of beauty, curled in effortlessly. Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way. He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him. This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly, and they don't know how to stop him.
Barcelona totally rampant here. Has ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Messi! And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. He'll have a go. In it goes! This is as ruthless as it gets.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Barcelona tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Sticks in a foot to win it back. Nicely measured pass. Has been intercepted, and that will come to nothing.